Hello everyone. Today I am using the Python. The program is how to insert and play the YouTube video. So we how we use the YouTube video in Jupyter Notebook. So first you install this library pip install IPython. This is the IP is capital letter. Okay, so I have already installed this, so it fulfill, so requirement fulfilled, it show you. Next that I am using the ipython library dot display for display the and import YouTube video. This is the YouTube video. U is capital, T is capital, and V is capital. This is necessary, you remember this, that always which is capital letter you use it. And df is variable where I am passed the object YouTube video. This is the object, and this is the my YouTube path. How I we insert the this path. Now I show you. This is my YouTube video. Go to the YouTube video and open any video. Then you copy this after equal sign. This is the equal sign. This is the equal sign. So after equal sign, you copy this thing. This word. So you copy this and paste it there. So I paste it. This is the my YouTube path, and display is a df. You can also use the print df. So this is the my YouTube video.
Hello everyone. Today I am here with a different project in Pandal series.
So I extract my YouTube video by using the YouTube videos object. Next, if I want to change the height and width in YouTube video, so that time is height and width is like this. Now I want to change this height and width. So there I am giving the my same df1. I have taken a new variable, and then this is the object, and this is the my YouTube path. Then height, I have given the height 400 and width is 500 and display df1. So this is the height and width. If you see, now I am also show you again. This is the 4000. I am giving the 6000, sorry 600, and there I am using the 7 and run. So you can see that what is the difference between the, if given the height and width. So this is the height and width of the YouTube. Okay, now change this. So it's depend on you how much you want the height and width. So next is the same. Next is I am taking the new variable, and this is the object. This is my path. Height is the 700 and width is 900, and I want to start that my video start after 9 seconds, 9 and display 2. So you note down that my, if I click this one,
Next
so
project
you
is
see
India,
that there is a starting
weather
point is 9.
forecasting. I have taken the only.
I again tell again the name. So I'm running this. Then you note down that after 9 seconds it starts.
Next project
the
is
9 seconds.
India weather forecasting. I have taken the only India weather, not other country.
So you can adjust
India
the
weather
YouTube
where
video
we
according to
have lot
given the
of cities also.
these. So this is the program where you can fetch or you can extract your YouTube video or any video by using the IPython library and YouTube video object. So hope you like it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching and subscribe the channel.